Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Vikin Saputri, but you can call me Vika. I'm from class A. Today, in this video, I will discuss about phonetics and phonology. So, what is the phonetics? Phonetics, the study of speech sounds. There are 24 consonants and 5 vowels. An example of the consonant letter is P. P. Your lips come together and release a burst of air without using your vocal cords. Try it. P. P. For example, pet, pit, put, puppy, people. Next, B. B. Your lips come together and release a burst of air. Try it. B. B. For example, bat, beat, baby, bottle, pot. T. T. Your tongue touches the alveolar ridge and then release a burst of air without using your vocal cords. Try it. T. T. For example, tap, top, tips, ten, and touch. Next, D. D. Your tongue touches the alveolar ridge and then release a burst of air while using your vocal cords. Try it. D. D. For example, dog, dinner, doll, daddy, down. Next, K. K. The back of your tongue touches the soft palate and then release a burst of air without using your vocal cords. Try it. K. K. For example, cat, kid, kite, kitchen, and key. Next, G. G. The back of your tongue touches the soft palate and then release a burst of air while using your vocal cords. Try it. G. G. For example, go, get, give, glass, grass. Your bottom lips touches the top teeth and air passes through, creating friction without using your vocal cords. Try it. For example, walk, fox, feed, find, feel, fight. Next, your bottom lips touches the top teeth and air passes through, creating friction while using your vocal cords. For example, van, vet, vase, vine, voice. Your tongue touches the alveolar ridge and air passes through, creating friction without using your vocal cords. Try it. For example, set, sit, side, snake, school. Next, your tongue touches the alveolar ridge and air passes through, creating friction while using your vocal cords. Try it. For example, zoo, zip, zest, buzz, jazz. Simple. Your lips come together and air passes through your nose. Try it. For example, mat, moon, mouse, mom, man. Next, your tongue touches the alveolar ridge and air passes through your nose while using your vocal cords. Try it. For example, net, nut, nine, nice, nurse. Your tongue touches the top of your teeth and air passes through, creating friction without using your vocal cords. Try it. For example, thin, think, thank, third, thirsty. Next, your tongue touches the top of your teeth and air passes through, creating friction while using your vocal cords. Try it. For example, this, that, this, those, then. Ha, ha. Air passes through your glottis, creating friction without using your vocal cords. Try it. Ha. For example, house, head, happy, hospital, history. Next, ang. The back of your tongue touches the soft palate and air passes through your nose while using your vocal cords. Try it. Ang. For example, song, sing, think, long, bring. Ch. Your tongue touches the alveolar ridge and the hard palate, and air is released slowly, creating a sharp sound while using your vocal cords. Try it. Ch. For example, church, chain, cheese, chicken, and child. Next, j. Your tongue touches the alveolar ridge and the hard palate, and air releases slowly, creating a sharp sound while using your vocal cords. Try it. Ch. For example, judge, joy, just, journey, jelly. Shh. Your tongue touches the alveolar ridge and the hard palate, and air passes through, creating friction without using your vocal cords. Try it. Shh. For example, shoe, save, shine, fish, wish. Next, your tongue touches the alveolar ridge and the hard palate, and air passes through, creating friction while your vocal cords. Try it. Z. For example, measure, pleasure, treasure, vision, decision. W. W. Your lips and your tongue approaches the soft palate, but doesn't touch it, and air passes through while using vocal cords. Try it. W. W. For example, wet, one, woman, with, water. Next, y. Y. Your tongue approaches the hard palate, doesn't touch it, and passes through while using your vocal cords. Try it. Y. Y. For example, yes, yolk, yacht, you, yacht. Oh. Oh. Your tongue touches the alveolar ridge and air passes through side your tongues while using your vocal cords. Try it. Oh. Oh. For example, let, love, like, lake, label. Next, R. R. Your tongue approaches the alveolar ridge but doesn't touch it, and air passes through while using your vocal cords. Try it. R. R. For example, red, run, rabbit, river, rat. Vowels. First, the back of your tongue is covered and your lips are open wide. Try it. For example, car, father, bar, far, star. Next, E. E. The front of your tongue is raised over the hard palate, and your lips are spread. Try it. E. E. For example, C, me, B, C, T. U. U. The back of your tongue is raised towards the soft palate, and your lips are rounded. Try it. U. U. For example, boot, soup, new, crow, clue. Next, the center of your tongue is raised and your lips are neutral. Try it. For example, her, bird, word, girl, for, o, or. The back of your tongue is lowered and your lips are round. Try it. Or. For example, low, so, row, war, pow. Phonology is the study of the sound system of a language. There are minimal pairs, allophone, phoneme, assimilation, elision, intrusion. Phoneme. Phoneme is the smallest unit of sound that can distinguish meaning in a language. In the phoneme, there is minimal pairs, namely two words that only differ by one sound phoneme, but have different meanings. For example, first, bed and pet. Differential sound change meaning. Next, sip and set. Different vowel sound. Next, cut and cut. Different mid vowel sounds. Next, tip and dip. Different initial vowel sounds. Next, the and the. Differential vowel sounds. Assimilation is a sound change because it is influenced by next to it. For example, first, input becomes input. The n changes to under the influence of the bilabial p. Next, good boy becomes good boy. The sounds becomes b because of the following b. Next, don't you becomes to don't you. The t and y sounds blank into ch. Next, handbag becomes handbags becomes handbag. The n changes to before the bilabial b. Last, have to becomes have to. The sound due to vocals the following it. Deletion is the omission removal of sound or syllable in speech to make words easier or faster to say. For example, principle, the is often dropped in speech. Next day, the t in next is dropped. Comfortable. Several vowel and consonant sounds are dropped in the fast speech. Next, asked. The k is dropped asked because ask. Last, suppose. In casual speech, the until weak syllable su is dropped. Intrusion is when an extra sound is added between two words to make pronunciation smoother in connected speech. For example, first, I agree intruded sound y. I agree. Second, go one intruded sound w. Go one. Third, law and order intruded sound r. Law and order. 4. He is intruded sounds y. He is. Last, you are intruded sounds w. You are. The last, allophone. Allophone is a variation of a single phoneme does not change the meaning of a word, even though the pronunciation is slightly different. For example, first, p versus p. A pin aspirated p with a puff of air, and spin uninspired p. Next, t and t. Top aspirated t with a puff of air, and stop uninspired t. Next, k and k. Cat aspirate k with a puff of air, and then skate uninspired k. L and O. Like clear L at the beginning and full dark O at the end. Next, the versus R. Flop sound. Leader and leather. Both words often sound the same because T and the between vowels become a flopper. Okay, that's enough from me. Thank you for watching. But before that, I have something I want to tell you. Learn from mistakes and rise to success. That's all from me. Bila kita bilhaq, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.